In this video, we will learn how to be a cop in GTA 5. Being a cop in GTA 5 is extremely simple, and all you need to do is after coming into the story mode game, you need to press M on your keyboard, which will open up the interaction menu. From here, you need to head to the director's mode, then press enter to confirm the launching of the director mode. After the director mode launches, you can go and select various actors. So just head into the actors section. Now, in order to be a cop, we all know that cops are part of the emergency service. So we'll click on the emergency service section. In here, we will find all the emergency service officials that we can find in our game. From here, we need to select the LSPD. From here, you can also change the gender of the operative. So after you have selected your desired operative, just left click on him and the mode will launch and you will enter the game as a cop. This is how you can easily be a cop in GTA 5 and enjoy the game as you wish. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.